Want to transfer files from your DJI Osmo Pocket to your iPhone? By doing this, you can quickly get your videos and photos on your phone to edit or share. In this video, I'll show you how you can transfer files from your DJI Osmo Pocket to your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, turn on your DJI Osmo camera. Then open up the DJI Mimo app on your phone. Make sure your Osmo Pocket 3 is connected to the DJI Mimo app. Now tap on the Album tab in the DJI Mimo app. From here, you can download the recorded files. Instead of ejecting SD card is really annoying, isn't it? So, select or tap on the file you want to download. Then tap on Download icon in the top right corner. Files can be downloaded directly to your phone or tablet. And that's it. This is how you can transfer files from your DJI Osmo Pocket to your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.